It's interesting how quickly the world of AI coding assistants is evolving, and now we're at a point where tools like Claude Code and GitHub Copilot Agent are redefining how developers think, write, and even debug code. Claude Code, developed by Anthropic, comes from a background focused on reasoning, safety, and deep contextual understanding. When you first use Claude Code, what stands out is how conversational it feels. It's less like issuing commands to an AI and more like explaining your thought process to a collaborator who actually listens. You can describe what you're trying to build, even in plain language, and Claude will help plan, scaffold, and write the code step by step. It's built on Anthropic's Claude 3 model, which is excellent at following reasoning-heavy instructions, keeping track of context, and explaining why it's doing something instead of just doing it blindly. This makes it feel more like a code partner than a code generator. GitHub Copilot Agent, on the other hand, extends what Copilot started. It's not just suggesting code snippets anymore. It's running commands, fixing issues, searching documentation, and even setting up dependencies right inside your development environment. Since it's built into Visual Studio Code and the GitHub ecosystem, it can pull context directly from your repositories, issues, and even your terminal history. That level of integration is something Claude Code can't yet match, and it's what gives Copilot Agent an edge in practical workflow automation. Claude Code's biggest strength is its ability to handle complex reasoning and long context windows. For developers working on large projects or debugging complicated logic, this is a game changer. It can read multiple files at once, summarize them, and even refactor code intelligently. But where it lags slightly is in direct IDE integration. It's still more of a chat-based experience, often requiring you to copy and paste code instead of executing changes directly. Copilot Agent, meanwhile, feels more hands-on. You can literally tell it to set up a Flask API, and it'll scaffold the project, install dependencies, and explain what it's doing. That action-driven design makes it incredibly efficient for developers who value speed over conversation. At the end of the day, both are powerful in their own right, and the choice really depends on whether you prefer thoughtful collaboration or hands-on automation. Either way, they're reshaping what it means to code in the age of intelligent development.